The Narwal Freo Z Ultra is a premium robot vacuum and mop combo designed for users seeking convenience, efficiency, and top-tier cleaning performance. This device stands out for its dual RGB cameras and advanced AI, which provide excellent navigation and obstacle avoidance. Design and build. The Freo Z Ultra has a sleek, modern design featuring a white plastic body and a docking station with self-cleaning and self-emptying capabilities. While not the slimmest model, its design accommodates an advanced base station that electrolyzes water for disinfecting mops and prevents odors, even from dirty water containers. Navigation. Equipped with dual RGB cameras and multiple sensors, the Freo Z Ultra offers precise navigation. It effectively detects small obstacles, like cables, and rarely requires manual assistance. Its headlights enhance visibility in low-light areas, further improving cleaning accuracy, cleaning performance. Hard floors. Outstanding on hard surfaces like wood and tiles, achieving over 97% debris pickup. Carpets. While it performs well on low and high-pile carpets, it struggles with fine debris in crevices. Mopping. Thanks to heated water cleaning and adjustable mop drying, it delivers superior mopping results. Maintenance and usability. The base station automatically empties the dust bin, compresses dust to reduce bag replacement frequency, and uses heated air for efficient cleaning. Overall, the Narwal Freo Z Ultra is a top-tier robot vacuum ideal for those prioritizing advanced cleaning features, hygiene, and convenience. Its slower pace and higher cost may be trade-offs for its comprehensive capabilities. Thank you so much.